Billionaires don't just make money, they build networks that print money on demand. And once you understand how these power networks work, you stop chasing money and start attracting it. Today, we're breaking down how billionaires build powerful networks that generate income, control industries, and multiply wealth across global financial markets. Most people believe hard work creates wealth, but in reality, networks create leverage. Billionaires focus on who they know, who they partner with, and what systems they control. In the United States and global markets, wealth flows through connections with investors, founders, media, and distribution channels. That's how opportunities appear before the public ever sees them. Power networks give billionaires access to exclusive deal flow like early-stage startups, private equity opportunities, and high-growth digital assets. Instead of competing in crowded markets, they enter early, scale fast, and exit strategically. This is how wealth multiplies behind the scenes. Here's the real secret. Billionaires don't just network, they build systems within those networks. They create automated businesses, media platforms like YouTube channels, affiliate ecosystems, and digital assets. These systems are connected to their network, meaning traffic, influence, and money flow continuously. This is what creates passive income and scalable wealth. Today, the internet has made this strategy accessible. You don't need billions to start. You need the right system. Online business models like YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, and digital platforms allow you to plug into global markets. With the right setup, your content, traffic, and monetization can run 24/7. That's how modern power networks are built. You don't start with connections, you build them. You start with a system. That system creates value. Value attracts people. People create opportunities. And over time, your network becomes your greatest asset. The truth is simple: money follows systems. Systems grow through networks, and networks create power. If you master this, you stop working for money and money starts working through you. If you're ready to plug into a system designed to help you start building income online, click the link in the description right now and get access to a done-for-you online business system built to start putting money in your pocket. This is Wealth in Millions. Build the network so you can build the system that will start building the wealth now.